Welcome back. Now you've successfully signed up as a vendor on Salaaz. Next step is to complete your vendor onboarding. This is where you're going to tell us a little bit about yourself and also show us all the information that you're going to show to customers. Now, not everything here is public, but this is everything that we need at Salaaz to be able to understand and verify you as a business. So, 8 steps here to go through. Let's go through them together. First step, basic information. So you're going to enter your business name, your business type, tax ID, and upload all of your business registration documents. Next step is entering your contact details. So give us all the information on how we can reach you with your full name, your position, your email address, phone number, and business address. All right, next step, business details. This one, you're going to just enter your company size and the years you've been in business. Number 4, categories and operations. So enter your primary category, your country of origin, operation country, so where most of your business is conducted, and the city, the main city where your business operations are based in. After that, you're onto your financial information. Here, you're going to enter all your sources of revenue. Just note, once you enter a source of revenue, you have to make sure that your percentage over here equals 100%. Once you've entered 100% and got your check mark, go to the next step. Here, we're on to certifications. So upload all the certificates and license you got, and then enter your supply chain countries. Again, if you don't have your information right now handy, it's okay, but you're going to have to come back to this. Next step, marketing and social. Enter the information where we can find you and your customers can find you. Finally, you're going to be on your review and submit page. Here you can review all your information, and once you're done, you can hit submit application. Remember, give us 24 hours to verify everything, and then you'll be on board.